Welcome to Hospitality Connect. COVID-19 has caused an unpredicted market crisis that any of the sectors have ever witnessed. Undoubtedly, the hardest hit industry is aviation, hospitality, and tourism, which are interdependent with each other. Hoteliers and hospitality professionals anticipate the following months to be tough for the hospitality industry, with no definite vision of recovery. This crisis has put over $28 billion and related activities to a halt, and around 70% of 5.5 crore direct and indirect hospitality employees got unemployed. Through this video in Hospitality Connect, we wanted to share suggestions and views to hospitality professionals who could focus on or shift their priorities towards the mentioned areas which might turn out to be an opportunistic chances during this crisis. This video may also benefit academicians, students community and budding hoteliers who seek career guidance to choose their area of specialization. In addition to it, we have suggested ideas to be implemented in areas which would serve as the need of the hour requirement for hospitality professionals. So kindly watch this video till the end to enjoy the complete benefits of the topic crisis and opportunities. Before looking into the opportunities during this crisis, it is very important to analyze and understand our guests in detail. Yes, guests are the epicenter of our hospitality industry. So let's discuss criteria to understand our guests in detail. Know our guests. In order to know our guests, we have mentioned three aspects here which we felt as important ones to understand guests' actions. First one, understand guest patterns. In this current scenario, our guests are avoiding shopping physically, and they are relying on delivery services. Point to be noted. Second one is understand guest perceptions. Guests are very cautious in selecting their food patterns, for example, avoiding raw materials and junk foods, and prioritizing immune boosters and dietary foods. Third one is understand the needs for the change in guest experiences. When it comes to guest experience, during this situation, social distancing plays a very important role in redefining the new normals in hotels, travel industry and tourism industry. The renovation of guest experiences pertaining to hotels was explained in detail in our previous video, New Normals in Hotel Industry. Before looking into the hospitality based opportunities, let's segregate them into two: technology based opportunities and service and product based opportunities. Technology based opportunities. During this crisis, there are a set of people who do not want to put foot outside their home. Those hospitality professions who are tech savvy can try out these options. Online cooking and bakery classes, online educational courses, online tutorials, online training and recruitment, similar to a HR job. And the last one but not the least, create your own freelancing market. Hospitality related freelance marketplace where you connect the employer with the employee, like Fiverr and Upwork. Freelancing, in-house cleaning, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, and also connecting plumbers, carpenters and electricians in one platform for household and business needs. Service and product based opportunities. Understand your local opportunities. Keep yourself updated regarding your society needs and be cautious to grab local opportunities. Example, set up a cooperative store, which is a necessary and necessity. It is very simple step at this time. Organize your own local delivery business, as mentioned earlier in guest patterns. Dear hospitality professionals, to overcome this stagnant situation, try to identify the current needs adopted in industries, the changes in society, needs of society and trends of the society imposes its requirement to existing industries or sectors. This creates a demand in organizations or firms. which in fact creates an opportunity to individuals who are performing in that respective industry. So understand this concept in order to understand the industries or companies in a better manner. On these basic grounds, let's look into revenue management as an area of opportunity for individuals' growth. Revenue management. Revenue management will carry most of the financial responsibility in getting hotels through COVID-19 recovery. While F&B, spa and other departments will be handicapped by social distancing expectations, rooms revenue will be the main and only source of income throughout hotel industry. Effective pricing strategies, cautious budgeting and accurate forecasting will improve the value of revenue manager. Flexible rates, relaxed cancellation policies are the current trends. Example, book now and cancel later concept. Revenue managers has to implement revenue management strategies and process in order to optimize and maximize revenue. The next department or area which would be apt to focus during this pandemic would be sales and marketing. Sales and marketing executives play a major role rejuvenating hospitality which has a bad hit. Airports are open, borders are open, hotels and other hospitality establishments are ready to welcome guests. But guest arrival and success of business is not possible until you communicate them effectively through sales and marketing strategies. Encourage guest experiences through offers and attractive packages. Example, book a night and enjoy 2 days stay with us. Virtual tours for hotels and 3D visuals for promoting touristic destinations have captured the market requirements. Time to add value to MICE tourism by putting India first. Promote local attractions with affordable packages and hygiene priorities. Example, caravan tourism. Yes, caravan tourism. KSTDC, Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation, has started caravan tourism to attract high-class guests to experience luxury through caravan tourism. The next division to focus is housekeeping. Yes, the focus on housekeeping is obvious since cleanliness is a top priority for the hotel owners, employers and guests. Housekeeping efforts clearly shows how the hotel will take care of the guests. It is the face of the hotel. Housekeeping, apart from focusing on cleanliness and neatness of the environment, it also deals with upkeep of linen, laundry procedures, flower room arrangements, upholstery, maintenance of the premises. It provides growth opportunities in healthcare, multinational companies, malls, residential complexes, airlines, airports and other segments. The Check It Out hotel for this video is the Oberoi Group. The Oberoi Group is a hotel group with its head office in Delhi. Founded in 1934, company owns and operates 32 luxury hotels and 2 cruise ships in 7 countries under Oberoi Hotels and Resorts and Trident brands. Foundation of first Oberoi Hotels was laid on 1934 in Shimla, where Mr. M.S. Oberoi pioneered the idea of luxury hospitality in India. Oberoi Group is committed to employing the best environmental and ecological practices in technology. To know further details about Oberoi Hotels, kindly check it out Oberoi Group of Hotels in the below mentioned description box of this video. Shout out for this video goes to NGOs and social organizations. Various social organizations and NGOs come forward to provide food to daily wages, homeless and other people affected by this curfew. Disruption in food supply chain results in food security concerns. Due to quarantine regulations, logistical hurdles and drivers, the food supply chain is affected badly. State and central government efforts alone is not enough to curb this crisis. We, the citizens, also have to play an important role along with the NGOs and other social organizations. Mentioned in the comment box is the list of NGOs who are doing their best during this crisis situation. If you like this video, kindly provide your comments and feedbacks to improve us, and do not forget to stay connected with Hospitality Connect.